The BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES 20V Max Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and versatile option for anyone looking to get a solid cleaning performance without the hassle of cords. This model promises powerful suction with up to 25% more pickup on carpet than its predecessors. The added convenience of cordless operation makes it a great choice for those tired of being tethered to a wall outlet while cleaning, whether it's on hard floors, carpets, or even high-up spots. And with up to 44 minutes of runtime, you can tackle a decent-sized home in one go, especially with its clever auto-sense technology that adjusts suction power automatically based on the surface you're cleaning. This vacuum's cyclonic filtration system is designed to keep the filter clean and maintain optimal performance, meaning it won't lose suction or become a hassle to clean. It's a game changer for people who want long-lasting, efficient performance from a vacuum that doesn't need constant maintenance. And if you've got pets or long hair around the house, you'll appreciate the Anti-Tangle brush bar, which picks up hair without it wrapping around the bristles. Plus, the LED floor headlights are a nice touch for spotting hidden dirt, dust, or pet hair in those often overlooked corners or under furniture. As far as storage goes, this vacuum stands upright on its own, saving you the trouble of leaning it against a wall or finding a special place to store it. It's not only easy to use, but also easy to store. The transition from stick vacuum to handheld's effortless, perfect for cleaning stairs, furniture, or any tight corners. The detachable dust bowl is front-facing and easy to empty, so no need to awkwardly tilt the vacuum when you're done. Another feature I found useful is how low it lies to the ground, getting under couches and beds to clean those areas that many vacuums miss. Now, in terms of handling, this vacuum is impressively lightweight, making it great for extended use without wearing you out. Its slim design and maneuverability let you clean around furniture and into tricky spaces without struggling. But while it's light, it's not flimsy. This vacuum feels durable enough to take on regular use in a home. The battery, a PowerConnect 20V Max lithium-ion battery, is compatible with other BLACK+DECKER Power Series tools. So if you already have other tools from the brand, this can add some convenience. When testing it on various surfaces, I found it performed well on hardwood floors, picking up dust and debris with ease. While on carpets, the suction is powerful enough to lift embedded dirt and pet hair without any trouble. That said, on thicker carpets, you might notice a slight drop in suction, but for most carpet types, it's more than sufficient. The runtime held up as advertised. On low power, I was able to clean for the full 44 minutes, but on high suction, expect it to be slightly shorter. Now, while this vacuum excels in many areas, it does have a few things to consider. The 44-minute runtime is impressive for a cordless vacuum, but if you have a large home, you might still need to recharge before finishing the whole job. The bin capacity is decent, but on the smaller side, so if you're cleaning larger areas or dealing with heavy debris, you may need to empty it a bit more often. And though the LED lights are handy, they do take up a little bit of battery life, so it's something to keep in mind if you're running low. For those who have long hair or pets, the anti-tangle feature is a major plus. Hair doesn't get caught in the brush, and it's much easier to clean the brush after use. But if you're cleaning a lot of fine dust, you'll need to pay attention to how often the filter is cleaned. Though it's designed to be self-cleaning, heavy usage might still require a little maintenance. Now let's talk about value for money. This cordless stick vacuum is priced in the mid-range, and given the features it offers, like the anti-tangle brush, LED lights, and the ability to convert to a handheld, it provides solid performance without breaking the bank. In the same price range, you'll find some competitors with similar features, but few offer the same balance of lightweight design, suction power, and versatility. The runtime could be better for larger homes, but for typical use, it's a solid option. If we compare this BLACK+DECKER model to similar vacuums in its class, like the Shark IZ462H or the Dyson V8, the BLACK+DECKER does hold its own. The Shark offers a slightly longer runtime, but comes at a higher price point. And the Dyson is well known for its premium features, but at a much steeper cost. The BLACK+DECKER holds up well for its price, with great performance for both hardwood floors and carpets. And the added bonus of being able to convert into a handheld vacuum makes it a versatile option for any household. When it comes to build quality, the vacuum feels solid, with premium plastics and a robust design. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the cleaning tools are easy to attach and detach. Maintenance is fairly straightforward, with minimal effort needed to clear the dust bowl and clean the brush roll. The battery life is decent, but just like with any cordless vacuum, long-term battery degradation could be a factor to consider, though the battery is interchangeable, so that's a bonus. As for customer support, BLACK+DECKER has a reputation for reliable service. While I haven't needed to use it for this vacuum, their customer support team is responsive, and they offer good warranty coverage, which provides peace of mind for any concerns that might come up down the line. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for a reliable, lightweight vacuum that can handle both hard floors and carpets, and you don't mind emptying the bin a little more frequently, this model is a solid choice. It's perfect for small to medium homes, especially if you're in need of something versatile and easy to store. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, fine dust, or just the usual household debris, the BLACK+DECKER PowerSeries 20V Max Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner does a great job without being too complicated or pricey. Thanks for watching. If you've had a chance to try this vacuum or have any thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Goodbye till next time, and remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore when you've got the right tools on your side.